All right, this is the new model of the Pride Revo from Pride Mobility. This is the Pride Revo three-wheel scooter. This scooter has a 400-pound weight capability. It has a seat on here that is, I'll turn it and you can see, the seat is 20 by 18 deep. So remember that, 20 wide, 18 deep. The arms do move out. If you need more width, they do move out, and they're also adjustable up and down. This is a flip down seat, so if you transport it, you can flip the seat down. As you already seen, we can swivel the seat with this chair, okay, with this scooter. So you can swivel either side, so it's a swivel seat, which is nice. Again, it has a 400-pound weight capability. It does come apart, which I'll show you in a few minutes. It has solid tires in the back, solid tires in the front. It also has on here a USB port right here. You can charge your phone right here, a USB port. It has your horn right here, and it has the forward on this side and the reverse on the opposite side. So reverse on this side. Now, if you only have one hand, you can drive it forward with this hand like this, and then move your hand on the top part and go reverse. So you could technically drive this scooter with only one hand, whichever hand you want to use, because you can do both ways on that, okay? It does come with a basket. It does come with two keys. You can't probably see them, they're small. Two keys, and the key goes into here, right there. Your dashboard on this scooter is, we'll bring it down so you can see it. So on your dashboard, you can see you have your battery gauge right here. It shows you how the batteries are full. You lose the lights as the batteries are being used. So if you're down, all the lights are gone, you're down to the red light, you're almost empty. You have a speed dial right here. You can go from slow to fast. You have your lights. This scooter has headlights right here where my hand is. You probably can't see it. There's a headlight. Can't see it on the wall. There is a headlight. And you have an eco button right here where if you put it on eco, you save a little bit of your batteries as you drive it around, okay? So that's your dashboard right there. We're going to bring it back up to a driving position. The scooter has little baskets under here. To get these baskets to open out, you have to pull up and out. So if I pulled out, it doesn't come up, but if you pull up and out, so you have two baskets, one on each side, up and out, up and out, okay? So let's take the scooter apart so we can see. Let's look at something else real quick here. On the back of the scooter, you see you have anti-tip wheels right here for your back of your scooter in case you do something you're not supposed to be doing, okay? You have a lever right here. This is your neutral. So if you push this lever forward, you'll hear the scooter beep, okay? So if it's ever beeping, turn the key off, but you can see how well it rolls, okay? So if you put it in neutral, turn the key off. If you turn your key back on like this, and it beeps, you have it in neutral. So what you have to do, turn the key off, put it back in gear, turn your power back on, and no more beeping. So that's just to let you know, okay? So in the back of the chair, you have a docking device here. So if you want to put a basket, oxygen holder, whatever kind of device you need, you can do that, okay? So you do have suspension on this scooter, but I can't show it to you now, but I will show you when we take the scooter apart. So when you take this scooter apart, you'll turn the power off. Now actually, let me back it up a little bit. All right, I'm gonna turn it off. First thing you would do, take the seat off, and I'm not sure if the seat comes straight up. Oh yes, so this seat, if you wanna take the seat off, you have to have the baskets open. Baskets are open, and now you can take the seat off. The baskets have to be open, okay? So the seat is about, I don't know, maybe 30 pounds. You have two batteries here, okay? So you have to take this one out first. Oh, I'm sorry. Take the left one out first because it goes into the, so you take your left battery out, take your right battery out because they connect together like this. That's why you have to take the left one out because it connects into the right one. So the batteries are out. The next thing you would do, you would take your basket off. Then you would bring your tiller down. This is called a tiller. When you bring it down, don't bring it all the way down. Bring it up to here. And I'll tell you why you don't want to bring it all the way down. There's a horn here, and if you bring it all the way down, you're going to smash the horn, and you're not going to be happy. So now you see how this wheel still turns, okay? So there's a little lock in front right here. So if I push that lock and turn it, the wheel is locked. Now, very easy to understand this. Takes two hands, left hand on the pole, right hand on the handle, pull up. You see why you want two hands? Then you move this forward. This is your rear end, okay? I'm gonna show you how it's built. So you can see the inside of this scooter right here. You can actually see the shock in the back, the suspension. The yellow shock is right here. That's adjustable also for suspension. You can actually see the motor through here. It's a sealed motor, 4-pole motors, very heavy duty motor. So this is your rear, and this is your front. You can see the front wheel, a little bit small in the back. You can see the undercarriage. So that's your front, and that's your back, okay? So this is how you take it apart. When you put it back together, make sure you line up everything straight. Don't be coming on an angle and try to lock it. Very important, when you put this back together, you see a green line here and a green line here. Just grab your thing like you did before, up, bring it right on those green lines. Do not force it. Do not come on an angle and force it, because if you lock one side, you'll be in big trouble. Put the tiller back up, relock it. Now remember, the wheel's still locked, okay? Unlock the little lock in front. Now we can turn the wheel again. Now you're gonna put your right battery in first, because the left one connects onto here. So put your right battery in first, your left battery in second. You can turn the power on, you can see power is back on. Take your seat. I usually bring it like this. I can see where I'm going. Put the seat on. Shut the baskets. Put the back up. Slide this right here. And now we're back in business. So this is the Revo 2.0 scooter, 3-wheel, has a total weight capability of 400 pounds. It has a total distance of about 15 miles on a battery charge. That all depends on the weight of the user. If you're going uphill, if you're outside, you may get more, you may get less than 15 miles. It has a top speed of somewhere around 5 miles an hour. One more thing, when you charge this scooter, your charging port is on the left side, it's right there. Okay, so you would put it in here like this, and you would plug this into the wall. And as soon as your light goes from red to green, you're fully charged. So the charging port is right there. There's also a charging port on the side of the batteries. So if you were going to take the batteries, let me go around so you can see it now. I have to flip it around. If you were to take the batteries in the house and put them back together in the house, you would charge it right here. So you can take the 2 battery pack and stack them together, and then charge your batteries in the house and leave the scooter in the car. So this is the Revo 2.0. Top speed is about 4.5–5 miles an hour. Very dependable scooter. And when you let go, it brakes automatically. It's got electromagnetic brake in the brake. So if you have it on Eco, I had it on Eco there, it goes a little slower. So on Eco, it goes slower and you save your battery. So I'm going to show you right now if I put it on the full speed what it looks like. So it's quite a bit faster on the full speed. So this is the Revo 2.0 scooter, 3-wheel, heavy duty, has a 400-pound weight capability, and it goes up to 5 miles an hour, no problem. And has a basket, the swivel seat. It has solid tires. It has the docking device in the back. The arms flip up. The arms are adjustable. You have your little basket under here. So if you're looking for a Revo 2.0, this would be a really nice one. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.